A question that I often get asked by people is the timelines when they're selling. What should you expect? After working with many sellers here in Santa Clara County, it's a question that I get asked all the time. Hi, I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. Well, we need to get the home ready for sale. You really need to be careful not just to slap the home on the MLS prior to having that home in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers go into your home. After we meet and you decide to list with me, I will give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, I would then schedule an appointment with my stager to come over and to actually give you a recommendation on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home to actually get the maximum return on your investment. Don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for this service, but it's essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money that you will get on your home as well as how quickly your home will sell. I also offer free partial staging of your home, so it costs nothing to you. Once your home is in show-ready condition, I will schedule my professional photographer and videographer to the home to capitalize on all the unique features of the home. Once I have all the pictures and the videos, I will then work on all the back-end digital marketing so I can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. I don't just put up a sign and put it on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. I have a very strategic and comprehensive digital marketing strategy that I utilize, and it's like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please know, just by posting a home on a Facebook page or a business page, only about 3% of the people are actually seeing it. So I properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. During this time, I also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going on to the MLS. I also go over all the disclosures with you, so we have these available for buyers to actually look at so they are fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. And don't forget, we also go on to all major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we're there. And I've enhanced these sites to get optimal performance. Now that we're live, you can actually expect agents to be calling to take their agents through the home so they can see it. The buyer's agent will accompany them, so don't worry about that. Depending on the time of the year and the market conditions, that will determine how long it will take your home to sell. I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. Keep it simple, keep it real.